Hi guys, it's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? Hello, hope you subscribe and stick around for more. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about how I keep my hair platinum blonde without toner and without bleaching. So I've been platinum blonde for about 3 years now, and I now have a few tips and tricks on how to keep your hair platinum blonde for longer. I always notice after a few washes that my platinum hair goes from this nice white silvery tone to this more brassy yellowy color, which I don't hate, but I just prefer the silvery white look. If you guys want to know how to maintain your platinum blonde hair from home without toner, without bleaching it, just continue to watch the video. Okay, so what do I use that isn't toner, which isn't bleach, to actually keep my hair this white silvery color? Okay, so my first tip for you guys, wash your hair as minimal as possible. So I wash my hair a maximum of 2 times a week, which I know can be quite gross to some people. If you've got platinum blonde hair and you're washing your hair a lot, the toner is just going to disappear because it's a semi-permanent fix, so it's not going to stay in your hair for more than about 8 washes maximum. So wash your hair as minimal as possible. That should keep your hair nice and fresh without having to apply any toner. My second tip for you guys is when you do wash your hair, use a purple base shampoo. My favorite products to use when I'm washing my hair is the Touch of Silver shampoo. Just be aware that it is going to get under your nails. So whenever you're using purple shampoo or purple hair masks, just make sure that you're wearing gloves because it is going to stain your skin and remove any fake tan. Other products I really like to use is this Palmer's coconut oil hair mask. This is actually a hair mask for really thick hair types. Now I only use this when I am going to do a purple mask. Other maintenance products that I like to use is this little hair oil. It doesn't have to be anything specific. This is just an argan oil. This is what I use after I wash my hair, or if I feel like my hair is looking really dry or it's a bit frizzy. I just rub a little bit in my hands and just literally sweep it all the way through my hair, make it silky, give it that shine that it is lacking right now, and this just sort of brings my hair back to life. So I'm going to actually show you how I use all these products effectively now. When it comes to actually maintaining my platinum blonde hair, the first thing that I like to do is let my hair get super greasy before I wash it. So I feel like I'm on around day 5 of not washing my hair, so it is oily. She is ready to be washed at this point. My roots, they look a lot more brassy, more yellowy compared to the bottom of my hair. This is because the bottom of my hair is porous, so it just means that it absorbs color a lot easier than the top of my hair, because the top of my hair is technically more healthy and has less bleach on it. So in order to actually fix this and balance the color again without toning it, without bleaching it, is this. So I use the Palmer's coconut oil that I had before, and then I massage that into the ends of my hair. The reason I only massage it into the ends of my hair and not the top is because I want to make sure that the bottom of my hair doesn't get any more purple treatment in it, any more purple shampoos or purple hair masks in it. I'm just going to end up with that horrible purple hue, and then the top of my hair is going to be brassy, which is going to look really weird. It's not going to look right at all. So I'm going to fix that. I'm going to rub this into the ends of my hair, and I'm only going to do around 2/3 of my hair. The top third is where it's really brassy, it's where it's very yellowy. This is where I want to correct. So after massaging that in, I'm going to wait for 30 minutes before washing it out. This is going to really sit into my hair. It's going to absorb. It's going to give it some treatment, some TLC that has been lacking for the past like 3 years. And I only do this once or twice a month. Sometimes I just use a purple shampoo and that should fix it. But right now, she is in need of some serious TLC. After waiting the full 30 minutes, so using the Touch of Silver purple hair mask, this stuff would change your life. This stuff is like liquid gold to me. It has fixed my hair so many times. I just get a small little bowl and a hair spatula, and then I just mix together a little bit of the hair mask, and then I dilute it with some water. So before actually applying the mask, I need to wet my hair. This is actually a plant mister. I just didn't want to completely wet my hair and ruin it, so I couldn't show you guys. So I just wetted my hair so it's damp enough that I can apply the product, but not too wet that it won't actually sit in my hair. So I literally apply this throughout my hair like it is toner or like I am bleaching my hair. I will just separate, apply to the roots. If I do accidentally pull a little bit further down, it's okay because I have my hair mask in there, which is basically preventing it from being able to absorb any more color. So after applying this to my whole head of hair, I'm just going to wait 5 whole minutes. That is it. There is no need to wait any longer than that. You can literally use this in the shower when you're washing your hair, so you don't need to leave it on for any more than 5 minutes. So when I'm actually in the shower washing this off, I like to use any regular shampoo. Mine is the Head & Shoulders, my favorite. I don't know why, but it just smells so good to me. Then I like to mix it with the purple shampoo. This is the Touch of Silver one once again, but I like to mix them both together, and I will massage that into the roots of my hair before I massage it down. So the reason I massage it to the roots again, just to give those brassy roots a little bit of extra time to really give it a moment to get rid of that brassiness, and then I will just gently massage the rest of it down into my hair. I'm not going to leave the shampoo on for more than a minute or so. After that, I'll just go about my normal shower routine. Obviously, I'll condition my hair and do all the other things I need to do in the shower. Once we're out of the shower and our hair is still wet, this is where I like to get the argan oil and really work it into my hair. I like to pour a little bit into the palm of my hand and then just rub it between the two and just separate my hair and work it through the ends. I do try and avoid putting loads loads of oil in my hair. I don't want it to be really heavy, and of course I don't want it to be greasy later on. And then I will slowly work my way up with any extra just over the top to get rid of any flyaways. This really helps to keep my hair silky and soft without overdoing it. I then like to go and brush my hair with a wide comb brush, and because I don't use straighteners, I don't use curlers, I only very rarely use a hairdryer to dry my hair. That is why I like to brush it so then it actually dries straight. So after letting it air dry for at least 20 minutes, that's when I will just finish off the extra damp, blow dry my hair on the lowest heat, and then that is my hair literally completely done. And as you can see, it is beautiful, it is platinum. We have eliminated all of that horrible brassiness in our roots without any toner, without any bleaching. This is the easiest way to do that without messing up your entire head of hair. Obviously, if your whole head of hair is looking super brassy, if you never used a purple shampoo or treatment before, of course you can go with your whole head of hair, not a problem. But if you're like me, your ends are the right color but your top is not, this is the way to do it. But that is it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below what your favorite part is, and that's it. So love you, see you, bye.